Hello friends, welcome to our Engineering Graphics YouTube channel. Friends, in this lecture, we are going to solve another problem based on development of lateral surface of solid. The problem statement is a pentagonal prism of base side 30 mm and axis 70 mm resting in horizontal plane such a way that one of its base side is parallel to VP and away from the observer. Draw development of lateral surface of solid. Now in this problem, the, the resting condition is given, and the condition is one of the base edge is parallel to VP and this same edge is away from the observer. Now you can see here, if you draw a pentagonal plane, pentagonal prism top view like that. So here one of the edge is parallel to vertical plane. This the condition first is satisfied. But in the second condition, the same edge is away from the observer, and this condition second is not satisfied for this top view. If you look this object from here, this one of the edge is nearer to the observer. So this is the wrong position for this problem. Now if you draw a top view of a pentagonal prism like that, so this is the correct position. Now you can see here, if observer is looking from the direction, one of the base edge is parallel to vertical plane. This is the XY line. From this XY line, the vertical plane starts. Now one of the edge is parallel to vertical plane and away from the observer. The same edge is away from the observer. Both the conditions are satisfied for this case. So this is the correct position for this problem. Now see the solution of this problem. Draw the XY line first. The problem is very simple. Draw the XY line. Draw the XY line. This is X. This is Y. And draw the pentagonal prism top view by using second correct position. So 30 mm is the base edge. From both the ends of this line, mark a 72 degree angle. So this is a 70 and this is a 72 degree. From this side, now by using thin line, draw this angle. Take a compass. In a compass, measure 30 mm distance and mark an arc on this 72 degree angle line. Draw the another mark in front of this line. So here we get a pentagonal plane. Now join the end points. This is the correct position for this problem. Erase the extra lines. Now you can see the naming is important. This is A, B, C, D and E. Now find the midpoint, find the center point of any two edges, and ED opposite corner is B. So join B and midpoint of ED by using thin line. Similarly, AE midpoint is at 15 mm. So here mark 15 mm distance. Now AE opposite side is C. So join midpoint and C corner by using thin line. This is the center O. Now here this is a prism. So prism consists of pentagonal prism consists of the two pentagonal plane and five rectangular strip. So bottom plane naming is A to E and top plane naming is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now project all the points on a XY. So here project all the points on a XY. So this is the base of that pentagonal prism. When you give the naming, this is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and E dash. Now, axis height is given 70 mm. So from base, mark a 70 mm axis height and draw the front view. So here, now here you can see here, observer is looking from this direction. So observer can see 1A edge, B2 edge, C3 edge, but D4 and E5 edges are not visible from the front side, from the observer side. So draw E5 and D4 edges by using hidden line. These edges are backside of this front. So by using hidden line, show these edges. But A1, B2 and C3, these three edges are visible from the front side. So dark these edges because these are the visible from front side. The top line naming is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash. Above that we can draw the, above that plane we can draw the center line. This is the top view and this is the front view of a pentagonal prism. Now for development, draw the line parallel to C dash, C dash, 3 dash. Draw a line parallel to C dash, 3 dash and draw the line parallel to XY passing through point 3. Now mark a 5 arcs on a XY line. So this is your A point. From A, mark a 5 equal arcs. Take a 30 mm distance in compass and mark 5 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now join this arc and vertical line by using a thick line. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total strips, rectangular strips are 5. Now give the dimension. So 30 into 5. 30 into 5. This is 30 into 5. This is a development dimension. Axis height is 70 mm. Axis height is 70 mm. Axis height is 70 mm. And base edge dimension is 30 mm. This is 30 mm. Now see the complete solution for this problem. So for such a problems, read the statement carefully, understand the condition, and then try to solve these problems. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.